Hi, welcome to the short tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram reel option not showing. So if the reel option is not showing on your Instagram, there are several reasons. First of all, maybe this feature is not available still in your country. So wait for it to Instagram launch this feature in your country. Other way is that maybe your Instagram is not up to date. So to update your Instagram, open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram here. And once you will search for the Instagram, if your Instagram is not up to date, you will see a update option here, so you can update Instagram in this way. Other way is that maybe Instagram have issue of data in your phone, so you can simply clear cache or data in your phone and try to log in again. So how you can basically do it, open your settings of phone, and once you will do it, now you have to click on the apps and the notification, or you can simply find app manager. Okay, now you have to search for the Instagram here, and once you will search for it, now from here you have to click on the storage and the cache tab on it, and from here you can simply clear cache or the clear story of the Instagram and log into your account. Maybe your reels are showing there. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.